Alrighty, welcome back everybody. This is gonna start part 2. And we're gonna start it in the Star Wars area. Freaking check this out, man. I've never seen something so realistic. Hey Mom.
What?
Look at this.
I know, what did he eat?
Even the bathroom is themed. Like what? Look at this gift shop. Yeah.
I always like that little guy.
They have all different remote controlled droids. There's R2. And then you can get parts for them, but look at this. They have computer chips. What are you doing? They even have like themed characters running around actually playing the parts. And they'll just come straight up to you and start talking. This is so confusing. Look at this.
Already filming.
Look at this.
You seem very interested in that data pad. So now we are. What are you doing? You have a good day. All right, proceed. But stay on civilian frequency. We're looking for a resistance spy. Maybe an orange jacket. Definitely blue hair. Affirmative. If you spot her, let us know. Move aside, civilians. Clear this path.
Embarrassing in front of my people. Hello, people. Oh.
So I noticed they have a single rider option. Carly's kind of a grumpy mood right now. I may hop over there. Lauren's gonna chill here because Lauren was getting overheated. So she may chill in the shade here. I may go pop over there. Okay, so Lauren's waiting. I am gonna go try to see if I can ride Rise of the Resistance in a single rider. So we'll see. Oh, this is really cool in here. It's also very cold. Check this out.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order training shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Omnaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money. Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble.
Oh, this is
right,
crazy.
Pilot, push the flashing button to
Mine
take
did
off.
one right here.
Pilot on the left.
Whoa.
Stick to fly right and left. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down.
You're up and down.
Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go with that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
So I did go ride Rise of the Resistance. While I don't think it's worth 2 hours
Okay.
wait.
Hold on. Let me preface by saying he has not seen Star Wars.
Not much. I've seen a little bit. But
Yeah, like
so
4 years ago.
now, well, I definitely don't think now it's a 40-minute wait. It's probably worth 40 minutes. But here's the secret. They have a line that says single riders. I literally just walked right on the ride. I just walked up and they use you as fill-in because there's 6 people per basically car. And so if you go in as a single rider, they'll just use you as a fill-in. There was 2 people ahead of me.
Well, and
I just literally walked right on.
The other secret is to come when it's extreme heat in Florida because there's like no one here.
No. But yeah, no, it was cool. It's a full motion simulator, and it definitely was cool. But
If you're easily sensitive though,
yeah, if your stomach gets upset from motion sickness, do not ride that.
no, like
you
put
will
Dramamine
puke.
on or
You will puke instantly because it moves you all over the place. But it was cool. But yeah,
like, there's another ride here that's like an astronaut ride. It has a similar feel to it if you've ridden that.
but yeah, do the single rider lane. Just walk right on. We're up in the little lunch area, but look at this. There's a detail everywhere, and then this. got this like, I don't know what to call it. Rotisserie cooking. I popped in this little eating area, restaurant area, up in the Bay 7 area, and to get some sodas, to get something to drink. Not really hungry yet. They do have some really good looking stuff here though. But this is what I'm talking about with like the theme area. I mean, everything is themed in this. They put so much effort into this area. And I'll pop in a clip right here of the credit card machine. It's pretty cool looking. But look at this restaurant. That's just cool looking. Okay, so I was going in to get some drinks over there, and this guy's friend walks over. Must have been a group of like 3 or 4 people, and he walks over and walks the stormtroopers are coming, and he goes, "Hey, I have some suspicious individuals here," and the guy just like interrogated them. I put in a clip because I got a clip of it, but it was kind of funny. Oh, what are friends for?
Didn't we warn you to stay clear of this sector? That's not how I remember it. You're saying I remember it wrong? Approach. Are you saying that I'm mistaken? Let's call that a no and save a lot of paperwork. Routine patrol, no need to worry.
All right, well, we made it most of the way through the Star Wars area. Look at this. She couldn't make it. She passed out like a half an hour ago.
Yeah.
So we've been trying to stay in the shade a little bit for her, obviously, but Lauren's pretty sunburnt too. But
Yeah. I have like redhead skin.
I'm not sunburned. I hardly ever sunburn. I have to be in the sun for a very long time to get a sunburn. Alrighty, so we got through Star Wars and we walked past Star Tours, and there's a 5-minute wait. Carly's still asleep. I'm gonna go try to ride it.
One, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We
seeing...
know you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before.
So I did ride Star Tours. It was a really short wait. That, kind of the same exact principle though.
It's not the fair.
No,
like,
no, I'm just,
because you couldn't experience it that way.
I can't see 3D because I have one eye, but it's the same idea as Rise of the
But
Resistance.
it might
Like
be a different
the
storyline.
yeah, no, it is, but
Okay.
it's the same idea. It's the same thing. It's a full motion simulator. You sit, and now Rise of the Resistance, you participate, so that is a little bit different. But it's kind of the same thing though. But it was still cool. I feel like this downtown Main Street area was modeled after LA.
What?
I'm sure this was modeled after LA.
Yeah,
It looks
like
identical to walking around in Hollywood, which obviously I'm sure that's the point.
Yeah.
But we did get a map. We figured out where we're going. But yeah, it feels like you're walking around Hollywood. Okay, so we got down here. Apparently the Cars area is actually in a different park. I have to look that up. But they have the Lightning McQueen area, which is where I thought that was. But it's a thing we're gonna go check out with Carly. She just woke up from her nap. So they're using the bathroom, and then we're gonna head in here and see what this actually is.
Who is Lightning McQueen's
Oh look, it's a road.
Wheels together for second time as the champion and Vader's best friend, Lightning McQueen!
Ka-chow! Oh, Vader, that was some introduction.
Well, nothing's too good for my best buddy. I pulled out all the stops with lights, lasers, smoke.
There was no smoke.
No smoke!
Thanks, Vader.
Carly walked up and decided she wanted to do the collectible penny thing. Come here, Carly. She was trying to turn it. Here. Okay, you ready, Carly?
You gotta move like, this is like sitting on the shoulder.
That one. Turn it. Turn it. There it goes. Turn it. There it is. Look. Carly got two of them. Look. Can I see them? Look. There's Chip and Dale. And then this one's Mickey. And we did two of them. Down here by the, the coffee shop is down here by the Tower of Terror, the hotel, the Hollywood Hotel. So we came down here and they had the penny squasher. So we're almost done. It's getting late. It's like what, almost 8 o'clock, I think.
Yeah, and there's like nothing else we can really
But
do with her.
we're walking down through the Toy Story Land again because we didn't. It was middle of the freaking heat day when we were in here earlier, and it was so hot and uncomfortable. So we didn't spend enough time in here. So we're gonna walk through here again. The Star Wars Land we spent a lot of time in. I love that, but we wanted to come back through here. So we're walking back through the Toy Story Land. Check this out. Okay, we found a ride that I think Carly will like. We were going to do it earlier, but it was such a long wait. It's only 25 minutes now. The Alien Flying Saucers. Here we go, Carly. You ready?
She's holding on to Ripley for you, right?
Oh, here we are. Hold on, Carly. Alrighty, Carly had fun on that last ride. She didn't cry. She was smiling.
Well, she was smiling.
So it was fun. It was only a 20-minute wait, so it was definitely worth it. And look at Toy Story Land at night. Super cool looking with all the lights lit up at night. I know. All right, well, we are headed back towards the front. Gonna catch a bus back. Look at all the strollers. Strollers as far as the eye can see. We're heading back now. Carly, did you have fun? Uh-huh. Hollywood Studios is cool. I think we all like Magic Kingdom better.
Yeah.
But
the Star Wars one though was the one that like saved Hollywood Studios for me.
Star Wars is cool. Toy Story Land was cool. I feel like the rest of it's dated, but hey, it was still cool. But I definitely like Magic Kingdom better.
I really do think the only reason it's the second most popular is the Star Wars.
Probably. We'll have to come back when we're Florida residents and have an annual pass. For now,
That is where I would have rather have gone.
yeah. For now, we got to catch a bus back to the campground before this storm comes in. Ooh, that's a lot of lightning.
Yeah.
Back to the RV.